Jeaniqueverse. So it's me again, Evangelista, and ngayon kakantahin ko yung Payphone na favorite ko talaga siya nung bata ako. And sobrang ganda at saka, ayun, subukan ko naman mag-acoustic. Acoustic to ngayon. And ano nga bang story behind the Payphone song for me? Ayun, lagi lang namin siya kinakanta sa video okay nung bata ko, kaso ang pangit talaga ng boses ko doon kasi panlalaki nga kasi yun. Pero siguro naman sa acoustic is okay na. Tsaka, ayun, dahil super bored ako ngayon and ang hirap kasi nag-iisa ko sa bahay. Kasama ko sa bahay. Parang di nyo naman ako namimiss. Alis na lang ako ulit. Charot, hindi. Pero ito na. Sana magustuhan nyo yung next song.
Used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we call it love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Baby, it's so wrong. Where all the plans we made fall to? If happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sad. Oh, you turn your back on tomorrow, cause you forgot yesterday. I give you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Baby, it's so wrong. Where all the plans we made fall to? If happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sad. And I'm at a payphone.
So ayun, thank you for watching and don't forget to follow, subscribe, or like my channels on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Jeaniqueverse. And remember, voices matters and stories take flight.